right, and so on page 10, starting from page 12 rather, and that is the story on the SGR that will be flagged off by the president today. So after the grand fanfare, this is what the 27 billion shilling SGR means to Kenya. And a few facts here on page 12 of the paper. The new train service takes only 4.5 hours for the express service, cutting time between the two cities from 9 hours by bus to 12 and by 12 hours from the old train. So we're seeing quite of a change there. And some of the statistics here, the passenger train has a capacity of 1,260 passengers at optimal operations. And of course, the stops there at Mlasenyi, Voi, Mtito-Andei, Kibwezi, Emali, and at the river is where the train will be making 10-minute stops.
All right. And well, we must say that if it works out as it has been put down on paper, there are definitely some major benefits that are bound to be, felt by the SGR. However, of course, the bone of contention has also been the cost that it has come at to Kenyans and for how long. But there you go. On page 13,